The reaction produces on the one hand liquid steel, which is heavier and founds to the bottom of the crucible, and on the other hand liquid slag, which is lighter and rises up in the crucible. After the segregation of steel and slag, the thimble melts through. First the steel pours in, then the slag follows and fills the slag pans. Once again, the pouring is shown as a simulation. The poured liquid steel cools down and solidifies slowly. The appropriate form design of the casting mold determines the three-dimensional cooling and solidifying procedure. The result is a weld material without inner failures and with requested properties. The empty crucible and the slag pans are to be removed and to place on dry and non-flammable ground. Attention! If hot slag contacts moisture, then oxyhydrogen gas explosively generates. Danger of accident. The protection of the railheads is taken off. Now the clamping device and then the mold shoes are to be removed carefully. A specified waiting time after pouring should be kept for this. Predetermined breaking points on the molds are to be created. After another waiting time after pouring, the mold head including the slag is put off. The running surface is to be cleaned of all residues. A hydraulic trimmer is used to cut the excess metal from the weld. The cutting height over the running surface is limited due to the downholders. If the mold head is removed early, the welding material is colored white or light yellow. Start the trimming when a darkening by oxide skin with blisters rises up. If the mold head is removed later, the welding material is already colored yellow. Then immediately start the trimming. The given waiting times after pouring to the mold head removal and to the beginning of trimming may be only rough recommendations. Influences on the waiting times are the rail temperature, the used crucible system, the gap width, a different wear of the railhead, the matched preheating gases, an incorrectly set flame with oxygen excess and incorrect preheating time, an incorrect preheating time, as well as specific portion grades. All these facts will be imparted during the welder's training.